It was full. It's about to finish, and they have another pot here as well. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, guess what? Today I'm gonna try, the beef biryani here in a place called the Mechua. So right now I'm inside this biggest, Asia's, fruit market, right? In a place called the Bara Bazaar. So basically the spot here, where I'm gonna try this beef biryani, right? It's the hidden gem, right? So many people that do not really know about this place, but I have found out, right? It's inside the biggest Asia's food market. So let's go and explore and try the food. And yes guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. So watch the vlog till the end, it will be fun. Let's go. Look guys, so this is the Asia's, biggest fruit market, right? In a place called Bara Bazaar. So I found out a very, unique spot where you can come and try, beef biryani, right? Let's go and try this, guys. Try the food. Let's go, guys, and try the delicious beef biryani here in a place called Mechua, right? Bara Bazaar. It's in the middle of the market, right? So I mean, it's hard to find. You see that truck is full of sweet lime, right? So this is the biggest Asia's fruit market, and the spot is right here where I'm gonna try the beef biryani. Oh. Right guys, so here we are. Just look at this crazy size of this vessel, right? It was full, it's about to finish, and they have another pot here as well, right? Well, the time right now is 12 in the afternoon, so this will finish by an hour or two, right? Hello brother, how are you? You're fine? So are you having this for the first time? First time. Okay. Ab kha ke batao. You eat and say. How's the taste? It's nice? Great brother. Look guys. Just look at this crazy size of this vessel, right? This is finished. Almost finished. And they have another pot there as well. I think this dog is here to eat as well. Hey buddy, what's up? And this market goes super crazy. You see, it's packed with people, and you see these trucks here, right? They bring the fruits from all over the states in India. And there's a place for you to sit, right? You can sit here, or you can sit inside there, right? So I'm gonna sit there in a minute and enjoy the biryani. भैया आपका ये दुकान इधर कितना सालों से है?
दुकान
हाँ जी,
इनसे पुराना दुकान 40-45 वर्ष है।
40-45 बरस से।
ये 4 रुपया प्लेट बिरयानी बिका है।
हाँ हाँ,
अभी तो चालू है
Right, guys. So I was asking this brother here, right? Since when they have the shop here, so they have the shop here since 45 years, right? The name of the shop is Gulam Birani, right? So if you come to a place called the Mechua, the biggest fruit market, right? You will definitely find this spot here to try some delicious beef birani, right? And they are here since 45 years, guys. That's crazy, right? Guys, with the birani, they give this handmade chili pickle. भैया आप खुद से बनाते हो ना? So this is the handmade chili pickle that goes with the birani. So guys, finally let's try the delicious beef birani here in a place called the Mechua, right?
एक हाफ दे दो भाई सीधा वो दे दो ये बढ़िया
किसका है? Thank you, भैया. So guys, here's the birani. Let me go inside and sit and try this delicious beef birani, right? Let's try this. Gulam birani. Right, guys, here, guys. For full is 110 and for half is 80, right? Let's try this. भैया हम अंदर बैठ रहे हैं नहीं बाबा So guys, I came inside, so I'm gonna sit there, and they have this beautiful mirror here, right? Let's try this delicious beef birani, right? Yeah, guys, so they have this mat here, right? And their brother is serving the biryani out there. And if you want to take this as parcel, they parcel this in this paper box, right? Now let's see what did they give. So they give this chili pickle that they made by themselves, and some rice, and a piece of potato, right? So people love potato in the biryani. And they give 2 pieces of beef. So potato and some meat. Let's mix well. Now let's have this. Wow, it's very nice, guys. The taste is awesome. Delicious beef biryani. Now I'm gonna try this chili pickle, that they give, right? Which they make by themselves. Wow, the pickle is nice, right? Guys, if you tried beef biryani or if you love biryani, you let me know in the comment, right? The chili pickle, right? The chili pickle is nice. It's sour, it's salty, and it's spicy. So guys, I'm gonna finish this plate of biryani. If you enjoyed the vlog, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace. See you soon. Take care. Guys, that's the double decker bus of Kolkata.